Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I'm gonna show you this set of two faux leather chairs that this brand sent to me for this video. And the reason why I'm kind of like showcasing both of them right here with my farmhouse style chairs is because I want to show you kind of like the difference. Because one thing is kind of like matching your style, your house style and decoration. That is perfect. We have a kind of like a farmhouse decoration here in my house. You can see this table kind of like right here as well. But sometimes you gotta give up on that and just go for what it's comfortable. And these chairs are gonna be a really nice and comfortable option for your back, for sitting on a diner or like a dining or having lunch or breakfast. These are gonna be really, really comfy. Also, this one supports 300 pounds weight limit. And the assembly process, you can just put these two together in I want to say probably like 15 minutes or more than that. It has a really easy assemble, so you won't kind of like waste too much time on it. So let's take a closer look and a quick kind of like comparison between this farmhouse style chair with this faux leather upholster chairs. So like I was telling you before, you have the option to match your style with a chair like this. Yes, but it's not gonna be as comfortable as sitting in one of those chairs, mainly because of this, because usually these are kind of like wooden, kind of like back support over here. And also these ones are gonna be padded everywhere. You have really good pads over here. You have this comb section, so it's gonna be perfect for your tushy area. And also you're gonna have big pads over here with this high density foam inside. Also, by the way, this detail over here, I do like it. That kind of like seems to be a little bit rugged. So that's a really nice detail. Check this out. This is why I was just telling you how easy it was to put together. The only thing you will have to do is this over here, this frame, which is kind of like really good and resistant. And by the way, you can adjust this ones if you need, in case that you have an uneven floor or something like that. You can adjust the pads on the bottom. But again, just having the chance to have this set of two chairs, as you're gonna see over here, these two chairs, which has really well padded, comfortable pads, and also supports the 300 pounds. It is really good, and it's gonna change your sitting experience in your kitchen. Pretty cool chairs, easy to assemble, really comfortable, comes in some other colors, so make sure to check them out, because this one again are gonna change your kind of like sitting experience in your kitchen, in your dining area. And if you have friends and family coming, just make sure to get a few of this one, because they're gonna really like it.